The stitches for rounds 20 to 23 are the same. In rounds 20 to 23, work 1 chain stitch, 6 distant crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. There will be 6 distant crochets in total in this round. Mark the first single crochet. And continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 6 distant crochets in this round. Six single crochets are done. Please finish the rest of 54 single crochets by yourself. Six distant crochets are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 20 is done. Please finish rounds 21 to 23 in the same way as round 20 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 6 distant crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Round 23 is done. In round 24, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, 4 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 4 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. And continue to work 3 more single crochets. Four single crochets are done. Next, work 1 decrease. A regular stitch named the V shape has 2 loops. The loop close to us is a front loop. We'll make decrease through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under the hook and put the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. There are 2 loops and hook now. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through both loops and hook. That's 1 decrease. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease. Then work 4 single crochets. Four single crochets, 1 decrease, and 4 single crochets are finished. One set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. The second set. Work 4 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the remaining 2 loops and hook. That's 1 decrease. Then work 4 single crochets. The second set is done. The third set. Work 4 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Insert the hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the remaining 2 loops and hook. That's 1 decrease. Then work 4 single crochets. We have demonstrated the 3 sets. Please finish the rest of the 3 sets by yourself. Work 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 4 single crochets as 1 set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 24 is done.